How to protect your Bitcoin from hacks. Greetings, fellow voyagers of the digital cosmos. Welcome to Crypto Rationality Satoshi Emotion. Here, we don't just talk about Bitcoin, we explore its essence, its place in the grand narrative of technology and human potential. Today, we delve into a crucial aspect of this journey: security. In a world where the lines between reality and code blur, protecting your Bitcoin is akin to safeguarding a piece of your digital soul. It's a quest that demands both the precision of a mathematician and the intuition of an artist. Let us begin. In the vast interconnected matrix of the internet, entropy reigns. Data flows, changes, and sometimes vanishes. The theft of over $3 billion in cryptocurrency in 2022 isn't just a statistic, it's a stark reminder of the digital frontier's inherent volatility. Unlike the comforting, albeit illusory, safety of traditional banking, Bitcoin operates on the principle of immutable code. Once a transaction is gone, it's gone. This isn't just about protecting numbers, it's about preserving trust in a system built on decentralized logic. We are building digital fortresses, not just wallets. The siren call of phishing. Phishing attacks are the digital equivalent of siren songs, luring you with promises of familiarity and ease. These counterfeit emails and websites, masquerading as trusted entities, exploit our inherent trust. Remember, in the digital realm, verification is paramount. Always manually enter URLs and treat every link with a healthy dose of skepticism. Embrace the logic of the paranoid. The invisible intruder, malware, and keyloggers. Malware and keyloggers are the silent assassins of the digital world, recording your every keystroke, capturing your most precious secrets. Using a hardware wallet is like building a Faraday cage for your private keys, isolating them from the electromagnetic storms of the internet. And remember, storing your seed phrase in a digital format is akin to writing your deepest secrets in the sand. The fallible colossus, exchange hacks. Exchanges, the grand marketplaces of the crypto world, are not immune to the forces of chaos. The fall of Mt. Gox and FTX serves as a cautionary tale. Remember, not your keys, not your crypto. Holding your private keys is an act of digital sovereignty, a declaration that you are the master of your own domain. The bastion of hardware wallets. The hardware wallet, your digital bastion, a fortress built on the principles of cryptographic isolation. It's the closest we get to physical security in the digital realm, a tangible representation of your control. The power of consensus, multi-signature security. Multi-signature security, a digital consensus, where multiple keys are required to unlock your assets. It's a safeguard against single points of failure, a testament to the power of distributed trust. The sacred script, securing your recovery phrases. Your seed phrase, the sacred script, the key to your digital kingdom. Treat it with the reverence it deserves. Write it down, store it securely, and never, ever entrust it to the ephemeral realm of the internet. Scammers, the digital illusionists, weaving tales of wealth and opportunity, fake giveaways, impersonation scams, and Ponzi schemes. These are the shadows that lurk in the corners of the crypto world. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Trust your intuition and always question the narratives presented to you. In the end, protecting your Bitcoin is not just about security, it's about understanding the fundamental principles of trust, logic, and human fallibility. By blending the rationality of cryptography with the emotional intelligence of human awareness, we can navigate the digital frontier with confidence. Join me as we continue to explore the depths of crypto rationality Satoshi emotion. Like, subscribe, and share, and let's build a safer digital future together.